Today I want to show you how to attach the elastic to your mask. First thing you're going to need is some dental floss and a paper clip. And what you're going to do is kind of make a tool. I just bent the paper clip out and added some dental floss. And what I'm going to do with that is in the loop part, I'm going to put one end of the elastic. See, so it's kind of like that. And feed that through the end of your mask. So it comes out the other side. There's my elastic. And then you're going to put the two pieces of elastic, line them up together. Take your same tool, and there's the little stops. There's a small hole and a big hole. And you want to put the paper clip in through the small hole like this. You have to get both ends in there. All right. Then hold the stopper. The elastic, the floss goes around the two strips of elastic and back in through that same hole. Okay, and then see, so it's like that, and you just pull it through. Hold on to both pieces of the dental floss, and so that brings the strap through. And now it's through, and that's it. And then you just tie the ends off by lining up the ends and tying a little loop through. Whoops. And that's it. There you go.